with the cow.
This is
Are you recording?
yeah.
Okay, here.
Hello. This is Michaela and
Kirsten.
and we are here with Bo and Vine, who are slowly backing away on the Grandpa Dean farm on Bruns Lane in Hartsburg, Illinois. Thank you. They are here protesting being on this farm where they have only been residing for the past 2 days. Last night, they were attempting to revolt the entire night and kept Drew and Grandpa Dean awake. Kirsten and I, however, passed out.
We were out.
This is us talking to the bovine. Let's try that again. They're a little slow, but they eventually come around.
Yes.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our transportation.
Yay! It's a Grandpa Dean's bike, which Drew
So kindly wiped off
yes,
for us and got it out of the garage.
Yay!
Mr. Bo and Vine, what do you have to say about that?
Nothing.
Somebody's getting a bath over there. Let me nibble on your ear.
Ugh. Oh, I know, Kiss.
I know. We have some that really adore the Kiss group and are wearing their facial makeup today.
They are.
They're a little hiding.
Can't really see it right now.
Excuse me, down in front so we can see Kiss. Oh, there's one showing its
there's
face.
one.
Yep.
The farmers are gonna think, what the heck? Oh, hey, look, there's Drew.
That was awesome.
He's probably thinking we're
No.
Where is he?
Well,
I
he
can't find
likes
him.
the cows.
That's true. Well, there he is. Whoa!
Are you in mount?
No, we're talking. Bo and Vine are getting married. It's what? No. They protest.
We want Drew, is what they said.
We want Drew. Give us what we came here for.
Encore. We want more.
Give us what we came here for. Drew. We want Drew. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Well, you're driving. He's picking up corn like a good man.
Oh, you better hurry up after that.
We don't want to. Oh, dear God.
Oh, what happened? Okay, good.
Oh,
What's he doing?
he's picking up corn.
Picking up the corn?
And, he's a. What's that word? Oblivious?
Yeah.
Like, normally is. Good old Drew. Good old boys.
Huh? What happened?
Typical. But hey! Yeah, that's not it. Drift! Oh!
At Bruns Lane.
Yes, let's. Oh.
See it? Bruns Lane.
Yay! Oh! Alright. Uh-oh.
Ready, set, drive. Get up and drive.
Good, no vehicles are coming.
Good thing I looked, huh?
Yeah, it's not like there's much
You want to
around.
look at the windmill that runs this whole joint?
Yes,
Ready?
let's.
Yeah!
Yo,
There it
that
is.
runs this whole farm.
Woo, baby, woo! What?
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 So what? Welcome. Okay. Oh no, don't hit that lovely car.
How lovely.
Hey. Oh! That was
an adventure.
it was. But now I'm afraid.
This is Michaela Haar and Kirsten Haar signing off.